Google is a great tool for finding gray literature on the internet. The way it works is this. Start with a regular search. Say you're looking for material on Hurricane Katrina. You do a regular search, you get regular results. Wikipedia is at the top. If I scroll down, there would be some newspaper articles, maybe a couple of other open websites. The way to zero in on the gray literature is to go to Settings and Advanced Search. There are two things I want to point out here. The first one is the Site or Domain menu over here, where you can narrow to a specific website or a website extension. Now, any American government website ends in .gov. If you were looking for material on a Canadian government website, it would be .gc.ca. Nonprofits are .org. You probably know others. If you don't, a quick Google search and you can find web extensions. The other thing I want to point out is file format, file type. If a government body or a nonprofit puts out a report, that report is probably going to be in PDF format. So you can narrow your search to that file format. So let's see what happens. Do an advanced, click on that advanced search button, and you can see that our results are a good deal more sort of substantial than what we find in a regular Google search. That's how it works. I hope it helps. If you need any help with it, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact a Royal Roads librarian. Thanks, bye.